Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Wolf God with Wolf Gaming, and today is the day I promised where we will be showing the Restoration and Destruction level up glitch in the same video because they sort of go hand to hand. So the two things you're going to need for this particular glitch are flames. Technically, you don't have to have it leveled up. I do, so it does 22 points of damage. Ideally, you want it to only do like as low as you can, and that's why, because Healing Hands only heals 10 points of health, but it only costs 10 magicka to cast. So, I mean, there is that, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be burning our magnificent horse here. Till about right there. Now, we want to heal it before it heals itself. Horse moved instead of normal. And there you go, we got a restoration level up. And a level up in general. Now, as you can see, we're going to be taking magic. But, more importantly, as you can see, we are gaining some destruction XP. Not a lot, but some. And of course, we did just get a restoration level up. We were at 32, now we're at 33. But regardless, the higher your destruction, the more longer it's going to take for you to get that destruction level up. It's also going to be the same for restoration as well, though. The higher your restoration, the less likely it is, or harder it is for you to get that level up. So what you're going to need to do is just keep on doing it until you do eventually get a level up. And that is what you need to be doing, along with that conjuration glitch, alteration glitch, and illusion glitch to get yourself a high level character. Probably within the first hour or two of playing, if you do everything right. You could easily be level 80 very quickly. Now with that said, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.